Would you like to know how to hire twice as fast at half the cost? Over the past 25 years, I've worked with startups and smaller businesses, helping them save over £5 million in recruitment agency fees. By implementing tailored systems that automate repetitive hiring tasks, I've enabled these businesses to reclaim valuable time, boost productivity, and accelerate their growth, all while increasing revenue. Now, this isn't about theory, it's about proven, battle-tested strategies that work for companies ranging from 10 to 1,000 employees. I've seen firsthand how these methods transform businesses, and I'm here to share everything you need to know to hire high-performing candidates faster and more cost-effectively than ever before. I'll guide you through simple, actionable steps you can start using immediately without any guesswork. Plus, I'll give you access to my pre-built templates and calculators so that you can customize these to fit your specific needs and see rapid results. There's no need to build anything from scratch. Just sign up below and you'll receive my step-by-step instructions to implement a comprehensive, foolproof plan that will help you consistently attract and hire the best talent time and time again.